तमन्ना लुक सेंटर चार फोटो लेगा उसके बाद तमन्ना लुक सेंटर राइट तमन्ना लुक सेंटर सामने देखो तमन्ना जी नाइस लुक नाइस वॉक ऑलवेज तमन्ना जी इधर देखो मैडम तमन्ना नेक्स्ट बार तमन्ना जी सामने तमन्ना जी इधर तमन्ना यहाँ पे तमन्ना जी यहाँ पे तमन्ना जी इधर आइए हमारे पास थैंक यू तमन्ना यहाँ पर देखो ना तमन्ना वेट तमन्ना जी तमन्ना इधर देखो ना तमन्ना इधर नहीं देखा आपने तमन्ना जी इधर देखो ना इधर मैडम यहाँ पे तमन्ना जी इधर देखो ना तमन्ना जी इधर देखो मैडम इधर ये बड़ा कैमरा तमन्ना जी इधर लुक किया ये कैमरा इधर तमन्ना जी सामने मैडम हाँ इधर सामने तमन्ना जी वहाँ पे लाइट अच्छी नहीं है यहाँ बैकग्राउंड अच्छी नहीं है सब चलो आगे चलो केजो सर स्माइल मैडम स्माइल ये फाल्गुनी मैडम के साथ आइए फाल्गुनी मैडम वाह क्या भाई एक तीनों का करते हैं ये चारों का इधर थोड़ा इधर ये सेंटर में आइए ब्यूटीफुल हां लुक सेंटर 3 ऑफ यू वेट लुक 3 ऑफ यू सेंटर कैमरा वेट बेटा वेट मार सेंटर कैमरा वेट ऑल ऑफ यू लुक अरे डाले ना ये चार फोटो मैडम लुक के सामने सर आप सामने सर सामने देखो सामने चलो भाई थैंक यू चलो पीछे आगे बढ़ो वन तमन्ना वन मैम तमन्ना
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here. I have to say the best creative people that I have known always are the most humble. They are almost oblivious of their greatness and how much they impact and influence generations of people. When I started my career, some of the first people to shoot with me, lend me clothes, was Falguni, Shane and Peacock. So I have so much high regard for them because they are not just pioneers in presenting urban India in India and internationally, but they're also just amazing people who have evolved every few years, and essentially that's what all of us Indians do, and that's what we are. We stand for that, and the fact that we say yes to every opportunity that comes our way and don't look at it like an obstacle, and instead we look at it as something that we need to conquer and build out of. For me, Falguni and Shane both are creative people I look up to. Whenever I am actually confused in certain creative decisions, I always ask and seek advice from them. And the fact that they thought of me for this collection, it's so humbling. It's so nourishing for me to know as a person, because you guys mean the world to me. I have always had the best time interacting with you for shoots, for performances, for whatever I've done with you guys, and I really feel like I would love to go on a rooftop and scream as to how this particular collection that they've done. I think it's the first time in my Lakme Fashion Week career of walking, I have ever wanted to own every single piece I saw on the runway. I can't tell you, the models just looked out of this world. Everything was wearable, everything was relatable and aspirational, which is just a combination that we all really want. And I think you guys have nailed Kuto. You guys have nailed relatability and aspiration. I don't know how you guys do it. Thank you for having me. Thank you for making me a small part of this. And it was so much fun working with you, with Karan. It's just the nicest combination that I could have asked for. People who love fashion, people who enjoy fashion, and use it like an everyday expression. So it's been a wonderful, wonderful night. I hope you guys had fun. It's a yes moment. Uh, Anyone offering me chocolate is a yes moment. Mostly. I never say no to chocolate. I am yet to say no to it. So.
शुरुआत में ही आए और 4 चांद लगाए, इसके पीछे क्या रीज़न था, कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
एक्चुअली यही एक फॉर्मेट था जो फाल्गुनी एंड शेन का आइडिया था कि वी शुड हैव 2 शो स्टॉपर्स, एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि हम सब इसे बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, हम इसे काम की तरह नहीं देखते. आज मेरा एक ऐसा दिन है जहाँ पर मैंने बहुत मज़े से तैयार हुई हूँ. ऑलमोस्ट फेल्ट लाइक अ पर्सनल इवेंट. इट डिडंट फील लाइक आई एम वॉकिंग फॉर लैक्मे फैशन वीक. वो प्रेशर नहीं था और बहुत ईज था. I think it was because it was a Falguni and Shane, and also I just love walking the ramp. It's a thrilling experience.
While walking on the ramp, what's the best thing you always look forward?
Actually, contrary to popular belief, I like being extremely present and looking at people. Sometimes you can't see people because the lights are very bright. But और हर शो में possible नहीं होता, पर most shows I try to be present while I'm walking, and I'm very much there with everyone.
So what's fashion for you? What's style for you?
I think it's finding your true, core and using that as an expression in everything you do.
सेंटर लुक मैम, सेंटर लुक.
That's style. I think just staying happy and choosing happiness. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Inner happiness. Thank you guys.
तमन्ना जी, लैक्मे का 25th ईयर है.
बिल्कुल.
इसके बारे में कुछ कहना है, और कैसा आपका होल एक्सपीरियंस और आगे कैसा रहने वाला है, आप कैसे और एक्सप्लोर करने वाले, प्लीज़ उस बारे में बताइए.
अभी तो ऐसे कोई खास प्लान्स नहीं है, बट आई फील लाइक इट्स ऑलवेज वंडरफुल वॉकिंग for Lakme Fashion Week. It's their 25th year, and it's a celebration of everybody who does some amazing couture work, some amazing fashion, and it's actually about celebrating Indian craftsmanship with some spectacular Indian design.
एंड फिल्मी दुनिया में एनी अपकमिंग फ्रॉम योर साइड?
बहुत सारे आप हैंडल नहीं कर पाओगे इतना सारा. ऐसे आने वाला है आपको. मैं आपको सबके ऐसे टिंग 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 आई विल बी ऑन योर notifications.
तमन्ना जी, आउटफिट की बात करें तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा किस में कंफर्टेबल रहती है, वेस्टर्न या फिर ट्रेडिशनल?
दोनों ही. एक्चुअली हम सभी जो हम सारे इंडियंस जो हैं, हम दोनों को बहुत खूबसूरती और आसानी से एम्ब्रेस करते हैं. हमारे लिए आई थिंक हमारे जहन में वो डिफ्रेंसिएशन नहीं रखते, क्योंकि हम किसी में भी ढल जाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही हमेशा कोर रहा है. आई लव एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड आई गो इन टू विच एवर आई नीड टू. आज का जो आउटफिट है मुझे बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि मेरा स्टाइल ऐसा है कि कुछ ना कुछ फ्लूइड होना चाहिए और कुछ बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड होना चाहिए. ये मैं काफ़ी वक्त से फॉलो करती आई हूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरे पर्सनालिटी का कोर है. सो जब ये कपड़ों में ढलता है तो बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है.
वन मोर थिंग, फिटनेस की बात करें तो ऐसा पहले कहा जाता कि मॉडल को एकदम फिट होना चाहिए
जी.
रैंप वॉक पर, लेकिन आप जो है उस सारे जो माइंडसेट को तोड़ दिए अपने फिटनेस को लेकर, तो इस पर क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए? कभी कभी ट्रोल भी हुए, लेकिन लोग आपको काफ़ी सपोर्ट किए.
I just think that beauty for me has a very different take, and I'm just happy that I love how I look, and I really enjoy my own self. So I'm just very happy, and I've got actually the kind of love I've gotten from people. I don't think anything that I could have done differently to get so much love. So I feel extremely loved, and I feel extremely cherished. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a good night. आ जाओ, मेरा दिन नहीं बनेगा अगर ये सब
तमन्ना जी
महेश की फोटो के लिए तुमने लाइट नहीं डाली।
तमन्ना यहाँ पे एक मेरे को भी चाहिए।
हाँ जी।
महेश भाई इसको भी चाहिए।
Thank you so much.
अरे केबल गिरेगा कौन है यार?
मेरे पास है और
काम भूल गया।
Sir, this camera please.
What we're expecting next time, our Elan will be more innovative, more than what they've done. I think the stilettos need to go and they need to do something about shoes as well. So I was speaking to many of them. They will definitely come up with a fiber for that.
Actually
Can I have a mic?
Yes, yes.
माइक
कौन सा माइक?
इधर रखा है।
कौन सा?
Only because you can't go to Kilimanjaro.
He's stilettos. Yes. No, we can't go to Kilimanjaro.
I think lots of firsts of the year. First time I'm doing something with Namrata. First time I'm to be part of a collection backed completely by Reliance. So that's fantastic. The thought behind it is truly amazing. 25 years of Lakme. That's a big one. I've been part of Lakme through every single year, so I feel amazing to be back. First time I'm working with Koop, so that's also great.
I love that. Thank you,
yes,
Mala.
thank you so much, and I've had a fantastic show today. I think definitely one of my most favorite shows that I have
thank you,
done and
thank
I've
you.
walked. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for always showing a lot of love, and I shall see you soon. Have a great evening.
Ma'am, tell us something about the outfit and tell us something about the best part of Lakme Fashion Week because it has just completed 25 years.
Well, it's amazing. I'm really happy to be part of it. 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week. I think I've been part of so many seasons, so it feels like home. And I'm very happy to have worked for Namrata Joshipur. I think it was a fantastic collection, very sustainable, and what Rilan has done with the fabric and everything in terms of athleisure, I think has been super.
मोस्टली हमने आपको ट्रेडिशनल में वॉक करते ज़्यादा देखा, लेकिन इस बार काफ़ी अलग था, वॉक काफ़ी अलग था, आउटफिट काफ़ी अलग था। इसके बारे में
जी, आई थिंक काफ़ी इंडियन अटायर में पहले मैंने वॉक किया। आई थिंक काफ़ी वक्त के बाद मैं एक वेस्टर्न आउटफिट इस किस्म का मैंने पहना है। सो येस, इट्स डिफरेंट एंड आई लाइक्ड इट। बहुत ही कमाल का शो था।
Malaika, your Instagram bio speaks about food, fashion and fitness. Which comes first in the order? Which F comes first and how do you rate it?
My 3 favorite Fs, so yeah, all of them.
Which is most important for you out of the three?
How can I live with any one of them, without any one of them? I need food, I need fitness, and I need fashion in my life at all times.
And what do you think about the growing industry when it comes to the athleisure?
I think it's a huge business. I'm somebody who truly stands for athleisure. I propagate it, I wear it, I am all for it. I'm really happy to be part of a brand like Reebok, which has over the years shown so much of faith in me, and I love the brand. So yes, I think athleisure is here to stay.
Ma'am, you are a role model, you are a fitness icon. So जो newcomers हैं जो रैम करना चाहते हैं, नर्वस फील करते हैं, उनके लिए कोई अगर आपने तरफ से
नर्वस मुझे नर्वस अभी भी फील होता है। हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स वो नर्वसनेस कभी नहीं जाती।
Who's your role model?
Who's my role model? My mother. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye bye.